If you're always worried about your phone battery running out, especially when you go to the beach, grab one of these power banks. This is the 27,000 milliampere hour power bank. This thing charges 5 devices at one time. It will charge your devices very quickly. Put this in your bag, put it in your purse, go on a walk, enjoy nature, and know that the sun is going to charge your phone for you. You will never run out of battery. Just click that link down below. You're going to get this at a great price. It's on a huge flash sale. And just enjoy the beach. Enjoy nature. Worry free.